You're a health coach trying to find clients, trying not to get frustrated, but then one day you hear about someone you know, a fellow health coach who has been getting clients referred to her by doctors. And you're thinking, how did she do that? Was it someone she knew? How did she get so lucky? Well, if that sounds familiar, if you're interested in the idea of getting doctors to refer their patients to you, but have no idea how to get it set up, keep watching because I'm here to help. If you're new to my channel, I'm a family doctor and a coach, and I also help other wellness professionals and health coaches on their journey to building a career and a life they love. So having spent more than 18 years on the front lines of healthcare as a family physician, plus now functioning as a coach, I have a unique perspective to help health coaches figure out how to make those connections and begin collaborating with doctors. So let's jump in. Now, before you can even begin to think about approaching doctors for referrals, there are a couple of things you really need to know. Doctors need you. This is a critical mindset flip you need to make. Most health coaches I work with have the mindset that they need doctors to help them. Worst case scenario, they sometimes approach doctors from a perspective of, please help me grow my business and get more clients. But the truth is, doctors need you. They just may not realize it yet. Here's the situation. It's no secret that doctors are run off their feet trying to meet patient demand. Many doctors have long waiting lists, chock-full schedules, and packed waiting rooms. They have precious little time with patients, and they certainly don't have enough time to counsel patients on preventive and lifestyle issues. And that's if they even have the skills and knowledge in those issues, which I have to say, many don't. At the same time, it's no secret that chronic illnesses are on the rise. Preventable illnesses like diabetes and heart disease and obesity. People are struggling more than ever to lose weight, manage their stress, and find true wellness. So we've got frazzled doctors and frustrated patients with unmet needs, which is exactly where you, the health coach, comes in. So if you can come in and offload some of the burden from doctors, some of them will be all over that. If they can confidently hand some of their patients over to you, the ones who need more individualized support and coaching to lose weight or work on their digestive issues or manage their chronic migraines, whatever it is, that is a win-win-win for everyone. So it sounds great, but this leads me directly into the next important thing you need to know, which is doctors have no idea who you are. Truth is, most doctors have no idea you exist. They haven't heard of health coaching, or if they have, they won't really understand what a health coach is. Remember, health coaching is a relatively new profession, and unless a doctor has had direct contact with a health coach, perhaps through a personal contact, a friend, or maybe if they have a personal interest in the wellness industry, it is likely that they don't have any real understanding or awareness of health coaches. So it's up to you to help them understand. Explaining what a health coach is clearly, concisely, and confidently is an important part of the process of collaborating with doctors. But as you get ready to start approaching doctors, as you're putting together your package and your pitch, there's another thing it's important to keep in mind. A yes is unlikely at the beginning. I want you to bear in mind that it is unlikely you'll get a positive response after your first point of contact. Just like anything that has to do with marketing, a person has to know, like, and trust you before they would consider buying anything from you. And although a doctor isn't buying anything from you per se, they are entrusting you with their patients if you're looking to set up referrals. And like I said, if they don't even know what a health coach does at the beginning, it's unlikely that they're going to jump at your offer of collaboration right off the bat. But that's okay, because you are going to build that relationship. Continue to reach out, provide value, nurture that connection until they have a solid understanding of how you can help them and what you can do for their patients. I say this because I see a lot of coaches give up after a single attempt, and that's sad because I really feel like it's giving up too soon. You need to thicken up that skin and try again. Okay, so let's recap. 3 things that are crucial to keep in mind. 1, doctors need you even if they don't realize it. 2, most doctors have no understanding of the role a health coach can play. And 3, don't expect a yes right away. Now, the things I've talked about in this video are just the tip of the iceberg, of course. There's an art to approaching doctors with a view to collaborating with them. But there is so much benefit, not just for your business, but for doctors, and most importantly, perhaps for the people you're in a position to help. So if you're keen to learn a little more, to really start digging into how to make this work, I've created a free guide that unpacks this topic even more, walking you stepwise through what you need to do if you want to get referrals from MDs. I've put the link in the description box below, so click on that to download my blueprint. Okay, that does it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.